Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There's nothing like the smell of fresh bread baking right in your kitchen. In today's video, we're reviewing the best bread maker machines that take the guesswork out of homemade baking, offering easy presets, consistent results, and delicious loaves with minimal effort. All the product links are in the description below. So let's get kneading and find the perfect bread maker for your home. Number 1. Quezinert Bread Maker. If you love the smell of freshly baked bread but don't want the hassle of kneading and monitoring the dough, the Quezinert CBK 110P1 Bread Maker is here to make your life easier. This compact and fully automatic machine takes all the guesswork out of baking, delivering perfectly textured loaves with minimal effort. Sleek, space-saving design. Designed with a vertical baking pan, this bread maker is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Its stainless steel exterior gives it a modern look that blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Plus, the lid with a viewing window and interior light let you keep an eye on your bread as it bakes. No surprises, just golden perfection. Versatile and customizable baking. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, the CBK 110P1 caters to all kinds of bread lovers. Whether you're craving classic white bread, hearty whole wheat, or even gluten-free options, this machine does it all. The 3 crust shade settings, light, medium, or dark, let you customize your loaf exactly how you like it. Effortless operation and easy cleanup. This bread maker is designed for hands-free convenience. Simply add your ingredients, select your settings, and let the machine handle the rest. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a breeze, and with its hand-wash-only design, maintaining it is hassle-free. Number 2. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. For those who take their homemade bread seriously, the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine is a game-changer. With its 17-in-1 programmable functions, intelligent fruit and nut dispenser, and non-stick ceramic pan, this bread maker goes beyond the basics, offering a truly customizable and effortless baking experience. Sleek design meets advanced functionality. Crafted from fully stainless steel, this machine doesn't just look premium, it's built for durability. Its large digital touch panel makes selecting the right settings intuitive, while the 360 degrees surrounding baking technology ensures an evenly baked, golden brown loaf every time. Plus, the large viewing window allows you to monitor the baking process without lifting the lid. Versatility like never before. With 17 pre-programmed options, the KBS Pro lets you bake everything from French and whole wheat bread to gluten-free loaves, pizza dough, yogurt, and even jam. You can choose from 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust shades, light, medium, dark, ensuring your bread is exactly how you like it. The 710W powerful motor kneads dough efficiently and quietly, producing soft, elastic bread with perfect texture. Smart, time-saving features. One standout feature is the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which adds ingredients at the right time for evenly distributed mix-ins. The 15-hour delay timer lets you wake up to fresh, warm bread, while the 1-hour keep warm function ensures it stays fresh until you're ready to enjoy. Number 3. Zojarushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. If you're looking for professional-level bread making at home, the Zojarushi BB-PDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is a top-tier choice. Known for its precision engineering, advanced baking technology, and versatility, this bread maker is perfect for those who want the highest quality loaves with minimal effort. Premium design and smart features. With its stainless steel and black finish, this machine looks sleek and modern on any countertop. It's built with dual heaters, one on the bottom and one on the lid, ensuring even baking and a perfectly golden crust. The large LCD display makes navigation easy, and the key code on the lid simplifies course selection. Exceptional kneading and even baking. Unlike standard bread makers, the Virtuoso Plus features double kneading blades, thoroughly working the dough for superior texture and rise. This ensures that your bread is consistently soft, fluffy, and evenly baked, no dents or uneven loaves. Healthy and versatile baking options. This bread maker offers a variety of specialty courses tailored for health-conscious bakers, including multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan options. Whether you have dietary restrictions or just want healthier homemade bread, this machine makes it easy. Time-saving convenience. Need fresh bread fast? The Rapid Course bakes a white or whole wheat loaf in just 2 hours and 25 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or last-minute meal planning. Number 4. Auster Express Bake Bread Maker. If you want fresh, homemade bread without the wait, the Auster Express Bake Bread Maker is a fantastic option. Designed for convenience, speed, and versatility, this compact bread maker delivers delicious loaves with minimal effort, perfect for busy households and beginners alike. Compact and practical design. With its lightweight plastic build and sleek, space-saving design, the Auster Express Bake easily fits on any kitchen counter. It features a 2-pound loaf capacity, making it ideal for larger families or meal prepping. Plus, the simple control panel and wipe-clean exterior make maintenance a breeze. Versatile baking with 13 settings. Whether you crave classic white bread, whole wheat, or gluten-free options, the 13 pre-programmed settings let you bake a variety of breads, doughs, and even jams. The 3 crust shade options, light, medium, dark, ensure your loaf is baked exactly how you like it. Speedy Express Bake Feature. One of the standout features of this bread maker is the Express Bake setting, which can bake a fresh loaf in under an hour, perfect for those who need quick, homemade bread without waiting for long rise times. Additionally, the 13-hour programmable delay timer allows you to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. For those looking for an affordable, user-friendly, and time-saving bread maker, the Auster Express Bake is a great choice. While it may not have all the advanced features of higher-end models, its fast baking, multiple settings, and ease of use make it a solid pick for everyday home baking. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker. For those who want effortless homemade bread with endless variety, the Hamilton Beach 29890 Premium Bread Maker is a fantastic choice. With its auto fruit and nut dispenser, 21 programmable settings, and customizable options, this bread maker is designed to take the guesswork out of baking while delivering perfectly textured loaves every time. Sleek design and smart features. With its stainless steel exterior, this bread maker not only looks modern but is also durable and easy to clean. The large digital display and simple 3-step process, add ingredients, select cycle, press start, make baking incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The countdown timer keeps you informed, and when your bread is done, the automatic keep warm function ensures it stays fresh for up to an hour. 21 versatile settings for every type of bread.